You wiped a folder by mistake, photos, documents, files that weren't backed up. You panicked. You searched Android data recovery app, no root, and you saw 100 ads promising to bring them back. Most of those apps will not work. Some are scams, and the technical reason why is something nobody who sells you those apps will tell you. Here is the honest answer. On any Android phone from the last 7 years, your internal storage is encrypted. Every file, every photo. The encryption uses a key tied to your unlock screen, and the system runs a thing called scoped storage that blocks apps from reading raw disk sectors. That is the only way real data recovery works. So when an app says it recovers without root, it can do exactly two things: read the thumbnail cache or lie. Here are the 4 scenarios where recovery actually works. 1. Cloud sync. If Google Photos, OneDrive, or Samsung Cloud was on, the file is still there, just hidden. 2. The trash bin. Google Photos keeps deleted photos for 60 days. Samsung Gallery keeps them for 30. 3. SD card. Unencrypted external storage can be recovered with desktop tools. 4. Professional services. Real data recovery labs can do it for between £200 and £1,000, depending on the phone. Before you give up, check these 4 places in this order. 1. Google Photos app, hamburger menu, trash, then library, trash. 2. Your manufacturer's gallery app, also a trash bin. Samsung, Xiaomi, OnePlus all have one. 3. Your Google Drive or OneDrive backup, even if you do not remember turning it on. 4. Your phone's file manager app recently deleted folder. That is where things actually live, not in some recovery app. Here is the only real fix for the future. Set up automatic photo and file backup the day you get your phone. Google Photos plus Drive together cover most cases. Samsung Cloud or OneDrive camera backup adds a second layer. Turn it on, test it once, then forget about it, because no recovery app can undo what proper backup would have prevented. That is the truth most articles will not say.